Hi friends, welcome. Today we see the fruits of apples. Basic information. Shortly we learn and teach what's the uses of apple and how to help our bodies and what's the nutrition and so that. Okay, we go to like and the video. What is an apple? An apple is a crunchy, bright colored fruit, one of the most popular in the United States and Asia. You have probably heard the age-old sayings, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Although eating apple is not cure all, it is a good for your health. Each type of apple has a different shape, color and texture. An apple can be sweet or sour and its flavor can vary depending on what type of you are eating. There are many varieties including Red Delicious, Macintosh, Crispin, Gala, Granny Smith, Fuji, Honey Crisp. Health benefits of apple. Apple can do a lot for you thanks to plant chemicals called flavonoids, and they have pectin, a fiber that breaks down in your gut. If you take up the apple skin before eating it, you won't get as much of the fiber or flavonoids. The fiber can slow digestion so you feel fuller after eating. This can keep you from overeating. Eating fiber-rich food helps control symptoms and lessens of effects of acid reflux. An apple's fiber can also help with diarrhea and constipation. Some studies show that plant chemicals and the fiber of an apple will protect against blood vessels and heart damage, which is one of the things that can lead to cancer. Researchers show that antioxidants in apples can slow the growth of cancer cells and they can protect the cells in your pancreas, which can lower your chances of type 2 diabetes. Scientists also give apples credit for helping your lung strength, your heart strength, weight asthma, bone health, weight loss, your brain easing symptoms of Alzheimer's disease and age-related memory losses, your immune system, your gut health. You don't need to be concerned about the sugar in apples, although they have carbs that affect your blood sugar. These carbs are different from other sugars that strip away fiber that is good for you. Apple nutrition. Apples are low in sodium, fats, cholesterol. They don't offer protein, but apples are a good source of a vitamin C and fiber. One medium apple has about 100 calories, 25 grams of carbohydrates, 4 grams of fiber, 90 grams of sugar, a variety of strong antioxidants. Risks. Although apples do have health benefits, eating too many of them, like anything, can be bad for you. Too much fruit can cause you to gain weight. There are a few other things to keep in mind. Pesticides. Apples are one of the fruits that have high pesticides because bugs and diseases are more likely to affect them. It is always best to wash fruit like apples before you eat them. Seeds. Seeds, you might have also heard that eating apple seeds or the core is bad for you. Seeds do have chemicals that turn into cyanide in your body. But you vowed how to crush and eat many seeds for them to harm you. In fact, an average adult would have to eat at least 150 crushed seeds for a risk cyanide poisoning. The seeds are actually rich in protein and fiber interactions. Apple juice can interact with the allergy drug hexofenadine allergy. The juice makes the medicine hard for your body to absorb. How to buy and prepare apples. When you are buying apples, make sure they feel firm and heavy. The skin should not have braces, cuts, or soft spots. Make sure to store apples in your refrigerator to keep them fresh longer. They can be stored at room temperature, but they all ripen much faster. When you eat an apple, leave the skin and because it has more than half of the apple's fiber. The types of apples that are best for baking are usually torch and slightly sweet varieties including Granny Smith, Annie Crisp, Melrose, Braeburn. Juicy sweet types are best you would rather eating your apple raw. These include Red Delicious, Gala, Fiji, McIntosh. You can enjoy your apple in many different ways including as slices, baked into apple chips, fatafefe, in salads. Thank you for watching. This video will for something for you.